Hi everyone, welcome to For the Geeks. In this video, I will show you how you can apply for your citizenship application. This is just my personal experience, and while I was just creating this, I thought I will just, share the video so that it may help someone. It's again, my personal experience, and when you do it, you have to obviously investigate before you apply. So I'm applying for Australian citizenship. I have completed all the requirements. I'm on the immigration website. I will put this website link in the description box below. And I clicked a new application and selected Australian citizenship by Confer. So you get this page, the first page, and you need to enter all these details. Most of them are self-explanatory. So I just entered the date of birth and all. One thing is, if at all there was a previous application wherein you traveled, then you have to give that application ID and reference type number, which I did here. And you also have to, say that if the applicant has ever held citizenship of any other country. So in that case, obviously you'll have to select yes, because when you're applying for Australian citizenship, you might have had um, Indian citizenship or some other citizenship. So you have to enter that. You have to enter the closest office for you. Like if it is Melbourne, then select Melbourne, or what is the closest immigration office to your location. Then you need to enter your home address. And then you also need to enter all the addresses you stayed in the past 5 years. So that has to be there. So I have entered all these addresses, the previous addresses. You need to enter your email address, and you need to, give the consent if you agree to get emails. Basically, you have to just consent all that, and you also need to share your mobile number. So this is where you give your mobile number and your email address, and you need to consent, like I said. So it's up to you if you want to give consent, yes, otherwise select no. Again, there's another self-explanatory question. Just choose whatever suits you, and if at all you need to have someone else as well, you need to enter his or her details there. You need to enter all the details of your children, if any. You can always save, and you can come back later. So that's something which is good. And if there are any errors, like in this case, it does show up the error message on the top. You just need to fix it and, add the details properly. So if you have children, you need to enter their details as well in here. You need to enter the parents' details. This is their name, given name and first name and all, and then their passport details. If they have traveled to Australia earlier, then probably you should also enter the passport, the latest passport they used, and all those things. So basically, you need to enter all the family member details of the applicant. This is again self-explanatory. You need to choose, preferred appointment location. You need to choose your pledge preference. You need to enter your local council details.
For the last one, attending the ceremony, it basically asks if you wish to make this citizenship pledge with some other person. So if you need some help, what that question means, click on the question mark, and it will actually tell you, what that question is for. I selected no in this case. Just read it up and see what best suits you.
You need to enter your previous country of residence, and if you're granted permanent resident visa, you need to enter those details here. You need to apply for police clearance certificate if you were away for more than 90 days, I reckon, after you got the PR. So I think if you're away for more than 90 days, then you need to get the police clearance certificate from that country. But otherwise, I don't think so you need. But better check the official website and just read it, the details properly. So this is what I was saying. If you need a police clearance certificate, if you have stayed in overseas countries for the period of time since being granted Australian PR, so just read that and check it. You need to enter all the countries you visited in the past 10 years. And you need to, again, this is self-explanatory, just need to enter if you intend to stay or go outside Australia within next 12 months. Just select these answers appropriately, and then you need to upload a photo with a document with photo and signature. So select whatever is available with you. You need to enter all these details. You need to enter your, if you have birth certificate, then choose birth certificate, or I think even class 10 certificate with parents name. If you have that with birth year, your birth year, it should be okay as well, but again, please check that. So this is if the applicant has changed the name, you can select no or yes based on if there is any name change. So if you select yes, obviously you will have to upload one more document regarding the name change. So this is the identity document. You would have entered the passport earlier, so you have to just enter these things again, the reference number, the family name, given name, and all. So if you have entered the passport earlier in this application, so that's what this question says here: have all the details of this applicant's passport or document for travel already been connected in this application? So if you select yes, all these details below will be autofilled, and it will save you some typing. So it is all autofilled here. So I gave the passport here, and since I gave the passport details earlier, it auto-filled there. You can enter if you have a national identity card of India, like if you have Aadhaar card, then you can insert those details. So that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you need to enter all these things. For Aadhaar card, there is no date of issue and expiry, so you can leave that empty. I also entered the bank statement details as well as a proof of address. So yeah. You can also upload other documents like driver's license and all, but I just uploaded a bank statement. So that's it. So once you do all these things, on the last page, you will have to upload all these documents. The documents you mentioned you have, like your birth certificate or your class 10 certificate, your passport, and all those things you need to upload. Along with that, you also need to upload Form 1195. So it has to be signed by there are a list of professions who can sign it, and they need to know you for I think last 1 year or something. So you need to fill that out and get it signed. So the form is available on the website, and you just need to upload it along with I think passport size photographs. So once you're done with all these things, at the end you are supposed to pay. I think as of 2023, when I applied it, I paid around $496 or something. So you need to pay that, and after that you have to wait. So that's pretty much it. This was my personal experience, and obviously things may be different for you, but hopefully it will still give you at least a bit idea, like what to expect when you are actually filling out the form. That was the whole idea of this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any queries or comments, do leave it in the comments box, and I will shortly try to respond to them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.